Hi everyone! In this video we will solve an equation with variables and constants on both sides. Solve negative 5r plus 9 equals 12r minus 25. Our goal is to move all of the terms with constants on one side and all of the terms with variables on the other. And it doesn't matter, since I have a constant and a variable on both sides, that we can pick either side for either one. I'm going to go ahead and move the 5r from the left side to the right side, just because that's what I've decided to choose. So because we have a subtract or a negative 5r, we need to do the opposite to negate that. So we will add 5r to both sides to keep the equal sign balanced. Negative 5r plus 5r cancels, and we're left with 9. On the right side, we'll combine like terms. 12r plus 5r gives us 17r, and we still have the minus 25. So we have now combined all of the terms with the variable on one side. Now we need to move everything without the variable, or the constant, to the other side. Here we have a subtract 25. To negate that, we'll add 25 to both sides. Negative 25 plus 25 cancels. So on the right side, we're left with 17r, and on the right side, 9 plus 25 is 34. And we've now combined both of the terms with variables and both of the terms with constants on either side of the equal sign. Now we can continue isolating the variable, and so we will find the operation around it. It's a multiplication. The opposite of that to negate it will be divide by, so we'll divide by 17 on both sides to keep it balanced. 17 divided by 17 cancels, so we're left with r, and on the left side, 34 divided by 17 is 2, so our answer is r equals 2. But don't forget, we always want to check these answers by putting what we got back into the original equation, and we'll substitute and see if we end up with a true statement. So our original is negative 5r plus 9 equals 12r minus 25. And we'll substitute every time we find the variable. So we have negative 5 times 2 plus 9 equals 12 times 2 minus 25. Now, using the order of operations, we'll multiply first, so we get negative 10 plus 9 and 24 minus 25. Negative 10 plus 9 is negative 1, and 24 minus 25 is also negative 1. Because this holds true, it means that the number that we substituted in for the variable is the answer to the equation. So r does in fact equal 2, and we're all done.